This video is for week 11. It's part 2 and it covers slides 6 to 10. So moving on, your cover letter should be targeted to the job description and the organization, which is why you have to make sure you submit a job posting that I can look at. So before you start writing your cover letter, take a look at the rubric to see how you're going to earn grades. I'm going to be giving you 2 marks that you demonstrate you know how to write a professional business letter, and all of this information is included. Okay. Paragraph 1, you're going to get 1 mark. Paragraph 2, so you're going to again do some highlighting for me and go back to those charts that you completed on the worksheet, on the assignment worksheet, and you're going to highlight in yellow. Some of them might already be highlighted in green. That's okay. Highlight them in yellow to show me what you're directly mentioning or referencing from the job posting, also in your cover letter. Okay, and then paragraph 3 is when and how you can be reached. So 3 paragraphs written in business format. So I encourage you to stop the video here and watch this video. It's lynda.com, so remember you're going to have to sign in with your Oshawa Public Library card. And watch this little overview about what the purpose of the cover letter is and finding your fit. When you go to your, you might have a master cover letter somewhere, just like you have that master resume somewhere, but then you target it each time for the specific jobs. So I don't know what your resume looks like and your references page is going to look like, but you can copy and paste the contact information. So make sure it's the same on your resume and your cover letter. But you might change the format. So if you have something splashy on your resume that doesn't look nice on a business letter, that's fine. You can just put it in this top corner here. So I'm looking for all these bits of information. It can be Dear Mr., Dear Ms., or Dear Human Resources Manager, Dear Hiring Manager. You can even put Attention Human Resources Manager. All right. This is a little bit more information about what goes in there. And a hint here to use Google to find the company's address. If you found the posting on Indeed, it might not be there. So you're going to have to use Google to find where you need to, what that person's address. It shows you got a little bit of a research skills, people. All right, so that's how you do the opening part of your cover letter.